Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 28th, and this is my recap of the top video deals of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the euro dollar, make sure to check out the video I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So I do think on the 1 hour time frame that this has ended in a B, and a C correction. I mean, it didn't really necessarily turn right at a fib level. I would definitely consider it respecting the 38%, especially with the way that the wave A and the wave C both pretty much just spiked below the 38%. So it really wasn't able to close below that Fibonacci level. So at this point, I think that's the end of an ABC correction. And if it really is the end of an ABC, which it for sure looks like it is, then it will most likely go up and take out these previous highs. So with that information in mind, I am definitely for sure looking for longs, especially on shorter time frames. Any ABC pullbacks and impulsive moves up, especially if you can throw a Fibonacci level on here on like the 15-minute time frame. See three waves down, see a nice big bullish engulfing move to the upside at a Fibonacci level would make for another really great entry to go long. Like I always say, until the higher time frames, at least a 4 hour daily and up, tell me that this is not in an uptrend anymore, with a breaker structure to the downside or something along those lines. I am for sure going to continue to look for longs in an uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.